And a good evening. A shakeup could be coming for the Board of Supervisors as a lawsuit against the county could lead to new districts.
23 ABC's Brandon Johansson joining us live now from downtown Bakersfield with more on what the suit means and what it could mean for you. Brandon?
That's right, guys. On Friday, a judge ruled that the Kern County Board of Supervisors boundaries actually violate the Voting Rights Act of 1965. With that in mind, community members came together today in downtown Bakersfield trying to push the board to adopt a new map as soon as possible.
Lupe Martinez wanted his voice to be heard on Tuesday morning.
We seem to be the forgotten voices.
The Delano man was one of many who took to the podium at the Board of Supervisors meeting.
Implement the court's decision. Do the right thing.
All voicing their opinions on a court ruling handed down last week.
They need to make sure that we start getting the representation that we need, and it is come to its time for it to happen.
On Friday, a district judge in Fresno ruled that the county of Kern has been in violation of the Voting Rights Act of 1965. The ruling came after a lawsuit from the Mexican American Legal Defense and Educational Fund claimed that Kern County's Board of Supervisors map does not properly represent Latino voters. Julie Gomez was on the trial team for the case on behalf of MALDEF.
And so the argument is that the Latino vote in Kern County is being diluted.
And she says that an area of focus is North Kern County, specifically the Wasco-Shafter-Delano area that's currently split between Districts 1 and 4. Gomez says that splitting that cohesive community also eliminates any voting power that Latinos might have there, something that this suit may change.
The end result, hopefully, of this lawsuit is that that community will finally be joined together in one district.
The map in question was established in 2011.
We have waited long enough.
And right now, the only district with a Latino majority is District 5, which also happens to be the only district with a Latino representative.
That is a huge discrepancy when it comes to issues affecting the Latino community, which is over 50% of the county.
People like Martinez making their voices heard this morning, hoping to fix that discrepancy before the 2018 elections.
Do not appeal, do not throw our money, and get to work and do the right thing.
Now, it's unclear at this time if this will all be done in time for the June 2018 elections. We'll know more coming up after a status meeting on March 6th. The county can also appeal if it chooses to do so. For now, in downtown Bakersfield, Brandon Johansson, 23 ABC News.